today's lesson, we'll be discussing about rounding decimals to the nearest hundred and the nearest thousand. Before that, let us remember the following steps when we are rounding off to the nearest decimal numbers. Number one, determine the place value you need to round off your number to. And then after that, identify the digit to its right. If the digit to its right is less than 5, which means the numbers are 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, round down by changing all the digits to the right of the place value that you determine in the step 1 as 0. And if the digit to its right is 5 or higher, meaning it's 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, round up by adding 1 to the digit occupying the place value that you determine in the step 1 and changing all the digits to its right to 0. Let's try the following example. Round off 98 and 345 thousandths to the nearest hundred. Again, the steps says that you have to identify first the digit that is in the place of value that you are rounding off. In this case, we have to round off this number into the nearest hundred. So the digit that is in the hundredth place is the digit 4. Step 2 is you need to look for the number or for the digit to its right. In this case, the number is 5. According to the rule, if the number is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to round up, meaning you have to add 1 to the digit that you are rounding off. So if this is 4, it will now become 5. And all the numbers on the left side of the digit that you are rounding off will stay the same. So you write 3, and then the decimal point, and then 8, and then 9. And then all the digits to its right, which is the digit 5, will become now a 0. So this is now the rounded off value of the given number 98 and 345 thousandths. For the second one, we have round off 890 and 49 thousandths to the nearest hundred. So again, identify the digit that is in the place value that you are rounding off. In this case, this is 100, and that digit is the digit 4. On its right, it's the digit 9. So in the rule, you have to round up since the digit is greater than or more than 5. So for now here will become 5, and then just copy all the numbers on the left side. So 0, 9, and then 8. And then this digit 9, or the number to the right of your digit that you are rounding off, will now become 0. Next, what is 60 and 1354 10,000ths to the nearest thousand? So we will round it off to the nearest thousand. The digit that is in the thousand place is the digit 5. Looking at the digit to its right, it's 4. The rule says if the number is 4210, you have to round down, meaning there will be no changes that will happen on the digit. So it will stay as 5. And then just copy the remaining numbers on the left side. So this is 3, 1, decimal point, 0, and then 6. And then this digit 4 here will now become 0. Round off to the nearest place value as shown, then encircle the rounded off numbers. For letter A, we have hundredths. So the digit that is in the hundredths place here is the digit 3. And the digit beside it is 8. So if this is 8, this 3 now will become 4. And in the choices given on the right, here, the only given that has a digit 4 on its hundredths place is this one. So the answer is 5 and 240 thousandths. For letter V, this is thousandths. The digit that is in the thousandths place is 8. The digit to its right is 3. So we need to round down, meaning nothing will happen to our digit. So among the 4 given choices, the answer is 4 and 5,180 10,000. For letter C, we have hundredths. The digit that is in the hundredths place is 9. The number beside it to its right is 4. So this is 4. Round down, nothing will happen. 9 here will remain the same. So the answer here is 0 and 290 thousandths. Letter D, thousandths. The digit that is in the thousandths place is 6. The digit to its right is 8. So you have to round up. 6 here will become 7. So 7. And then this is also 7. But again, after you round off, you have to change all the digit to its right to 0. So this is not the correct answer. So this is your answer. Letter E, this is hundredths. You have to round off the digit that is in the hundredths place. In this case, that is 3. The number beside 3 is 1. It's round down, so nothing will happen to the digit 3. So you have two choices here, this one or this one. Since, again, the rule says you have to change this digit 1 into 0, the only correct answer here is this one. For the remaining numbers, please answer them and then type your answer on your comment section.